Good morning. I'm actually feeling much better today, so yay! This is Karla. Yeah, you know Karla.
I'm back.
Yeah.
Okay, so we stopped by this like really weird thing. I don't even know what it is. Like, what is this?
She's back.
I'm here again.
Apparently there's a concert that her friend is putting on, so let's do that.
Yeah, it should be fun.
I suck at introducing these. Like,
just add all the pretty shots right now. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, pretty much. I'll just, hey guys, we're, and then cut to the B-roll.
Yeah.
It's like a cute little like bicyclist friendly coffee shop. Like, thank you Twin Sauce for giving me an appreciation of coffee shops.
We were never like the others, but we were only 17 together on a...
Well, that was nice. It was one of your roommate, right?
My roommates and then my friend Ayana. My roommates play with her all the time.
That's so awesome. It was really nice. This is a very just kind of chill area.
Yeah, I love it.
And now we're going, I'm going somewhere not so chill. Bye. Okay, just dropped off here in downtown Hollywood. So now my friend Alex, this is Alex. She's from this area and I'm not, so her is having a birthday party here in this fancy schmancy hotel. So I gotta figure out where in here. As with most things in my life, I don't really know what this is or what I'm getting myself into. I think we're going bowling. This is a fancy place. Look at this. And it is, well.
I've lost my touch.
I can barely hear what people are. It's so loud in here. There's one pin left. You can do this. Oh, oh, oh. Oh! Okay, there were two pins.
There's another one behind it. Where did that come from?
For those of you wondering, it is her birthday. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. It will not focus on me. There we go, there we go. Thank you for the light. Well, now I forgot what I was gonna say. It's not a real party till the Jenga comes out. Gee, thank you. No. If you ever wondered what Hollywood Walk of Fame looks like at night, this is it. It's so bright out here. Like, it doesn't even seem like nighttime. This is crazy. I'm on my way to Dave & Buster's, which is apparently a place that people go. I don't know. I'm new to this whole like party thing. This place is literally Chuck E. Cheese for adults. Okay, but I think my favorite thing in this whole place is the robots.
So you can't even hear me even though I'm screaming. It's so loud.
Well, that was quite the experience. I can hear again. Oh my gosh.
It's like me in the background, like. When I come back,
That's just Alex in general. Oh yes, if cartoons have taught me anything. So apparently this is where they have the Oscars, right here. And I recognize it because of a Casey Neistat vlog. Bye. Oh yeah, one more.
a vlog hug.
A vlog hug. A vlog goodbye. Okay, bye. Whew, made it home successfully. Yay! It's quite the day. I had never really been part of the whole party scene, so it was interesting. Alex, if you're watching this, happy birthday. But now it is 2 a.m. And I've been having enough trouble with sleep as it is, so I'm gonna hit the hay. So thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. And in the meantime, remember to stay positive.
So don't tell me how to stop, what should